Take it, get on that food. You like food though? What for you like food? Busy body, and I hear them. Hey!
Hey! Shame don't leave me as don't they do me for face. So you don't get shame for eye. Busy body. Hey! And you are laughing. In fact, if I were you, the person will born you, like I said the other day, the woman will born you, because you would conquer not even ordinary sand. Trip of sand don't take would you question your dish because you have no shame in your eyes. So you dare laugh me. What for? No, why are you laughing me now?
Hey!
I don't know how person for this life will just carry a hand. Take and say, hand work. Every month, people will come out, package, come out, go there, beg money. If they come here, they go bring the coca. The coca, the coca with me. Let me say, very soon now, I will buy this house.
Bam. See my tell you. You know what I mean? Now the landlord don't even employ these two left legs here. Come on, out rent. They never fit pay. Busy body them.
Hey! You mean biscuit? Because I'm sort of what?
See, Mamma, what do you put on some? On TV. Manga TV, like an ash. It's a creature. It's on your number.
Yeah. The time where you jump down from the high river where you jump down from mountain. I was thinking you are coming down to say something. I never knew you are coming down to insult yourself the more. Each top of me count. You stop do guys see where my on top day. Man I give you the one by our room wedding.
Bingo. He done to you. Don't the go. Where the go? Just don't the go. We
wish you a Merry Christmas.
See, come and sit down. Leave
it.
Oh, sit down. No, leave this one. Leave this one. Because if I open my mouth now, two of them go faint.
Open up.
Open mouth. You never open mouth. Give routine. Open mouth. You but you brain pee.
See, oh, cannot fly me at all. Not fly me at all.
What you go do? What you go do?
You are the blame for me.
Egyptian mommy.
Egyptian
mommy.
You are the mommy. Baby.
Egyptian mommy.
Baby, mommy. Mommy, baby. I don't want to lose my
family house.
I don't want to lose my temper.
Hey, well now, check we are now. Wow. I want to go for the cow. You want that? Calm down. Calm down. And that place where you put your head, no go bust that place. Take one you shimmy here. River Niger go swallow everybody for this compound. I'm ashamed of you. See mama like you. See the thing where you keep here, they feed them. And then they feed you. They feed them, they feed you.
Yes.
You're not ashamed of yourself. Give room. If you talk, I will slap you.
Yes.
When I don't take on a way to block our own business before, our provision shop will close up. This second one will open now. When I no fit block.
Holy God!
Fire!
Nothing walk on.
If you be Amusu, I go chop you raw.
Egyptian mommy.
You, I go chop
you.
Egyptian mommy. Where your dog go? Where your dog go? Where your dog go?